Hi, I'm Emily.
And I'm Sarah.
And we get to play Santa today as we share some of our top gift ideas at price points to fit every budget.
Yes, so first, for those savvy shoppers looking to stay right around $20 in the US or $25 in Canada, we love all the possibilities of this super cute and super versatile Little's Carry-All Caddy. It's the perfect reusable gift basket for kids, for teachers, for your babysitter, your dog walker, anyone you need a quick, fun gift for. Now, we've extended our holiday line through December, plus you've got new prints for our winter collection to choose from.
We've also got our thermal tote, our zipper pouch, and our Cool Zip snackers and hide and peek pouches. We also have this really great new product. It's called the Dream Keeper Mini Bin.
Now, for those of you shopping in the $50 to $75 range, you can look at one key piece or build a coordinating gift set. Now, I love our new felt shopper tote, and it's perfect for your fashion-loving friend. The All About the Benjamins with the wristlet strap is so classic, and it's really perfect for your mom or your bestie.
I want one.
All right, it's on your list, girl. Now, also, we have the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote plus a fold-in file, and this makes the perfect teacher gift. So this $50 to $75 price point also opens you up to our Close to Home collection with bestsellers like our tray or our caddies. And these are great for holiday housewarming or those winter weddings you might be attending. And remember, any of these products will unlock endless gifts at 40% off this December with our customer special for everyone on your list.
Now we've made it so you can build a really unforgettable gift set for those special people on your list. I call this the ultimate grocery solution. It's our deluxe utility tote with 2 essential storage totes that fit right inside. Our Close to Home table gallery comes with 3 custom photo inserts. You can also have it engraved and still stay under the $100 price point in both the US and Canada. Lastly, we have our City Chic bag plus the mini zipper pouch. I love how bright this Sierra stripe looks against the chestnut distressed pebble. It's just so chic. Your consultant has tons of gift ideas for every price point, so be sure to connect with them to start shopping. And from all of us here at 31, thank you for joining us throughout today for our winter open house.
We've loved opening our doors to you, and we wish you all a magical winter and a very, very happy holiday season.